Hi, welcome back. This week we are stitching model B. Last week we stitched model A, and it's almost the same procedure except model B comes with these handy zipper pockets on the inside. But apart from this, it's the same procedure as model A. So follow along these easy steps and you are almost done with your zero waste shopper model B.
And we are back on the living room floor where I've placed all the pattern pieces side by side, following the layout plan in the sewing instructions. If you align them completely, your waste is minimal. Then we're gonna stitch the zipper, but first we are overlocking areas where the zipper is stitched on. And then I change my presser foot to the zipper presser foot and move the needle into the right position as far over as possible. Then I find the center of the zipper and mark that with a pin or a pen. That can also be an option. I do the same to the pocket panels, and then I place the zipper right sides facing and stitch it on as close as possible to the teeth. Remember to move the puller over, end it with a back tack, then stitch the other panel on the other side of the zipper, again right sides facing, from one side to the other, again starting and ending with a back tack. Then I press it all down. And top stitch it approximately 2 millimeters from the zipper. Then I find the notch and fold the pocket sack over. Stitch it with 1 centimeter seam allowance in both sides. And you might as well open the zipper a bit. Then I swap my presser foot back to the normal presser foot. And again ending with a back tack. Then finish the seams off with a nice overlock or a zigzag. This will prevent it from fraying. And then I turn it inside out and make nice corners and give it another press. And lastly, I make another top stitch at the top of the pocket sack, also to keep it closed. Just go through all layers. Then you go ahead and make a stitching from top to bottom a few millimeters from the side. I like to make it a longer stitch length. It gives it that sturdy look and finish. I prefer between 3.5 and 4, but that's optional. And once you've done this, you just need to stitch another pocket, same procedure as this one. And all that's left is just to continue from step 3 from the previous sew along from last week. Good luck!
So we made model A and model B. Well done. and now you're ready to go to the grocery store or on a weekend getaway with your own duvet, whatever, laundry. Bye!